Good evening, everybody. I'm Mario Menini. I'm going to plan a little virtual tutorial about congrea. This is a you can schedule and have a virtual class with this kind of platform. So the first thing we are going to do is to schedule the lesson. So we are in this session to schedule a session. We add session. As now we can add all the sets that we want to do. You can set the date or when you want to have this session. This class, you get to choose the duration, for example 30 minutes, and select the teacher. In this case, I'll select my name in this up-down drop-down. Okay, this way. And so we save the change, and we have our we can choose it if we want to repeat the session, for example, for a week or 2 weeks altogether, or not, and have the same. Have the same. We have here the you can see our classroom here. Now we are going to join the class to see all the features that we can use as a teacher in this virtual class. You see here, teacher, you see our class scheduled, and here we can join the virtual classroom this way. Okay. So entering the classroom as a teacher, we can see a series of testing. Yes, this is saying us that our browser is compatible with this classroom. The speed of internet is good enough. There's a speaker, you can hear music, so the speakers are working. Testing microphone, you can hear your voice. Okay. A testing webcam, and you can see your face in the screen. So you can at the end of all these tests, you can join the session as a teacher. If you enter the classroom as a learner, you won't able to see all these kind of features that you have here. For example, the shapes you can, for example, you can draw on the whiteboard, or maybe you can have some shapes on your whiteboard, the size. Yes, you can choose what size are going to line. The color, you can choose the color of your shape, and you can activate everything. Okay, and if you know clear all, you can erase everything in this way. Yes. Then on the right, you can see the users. For example, I see myself here in the box, in this box. And other, you can see all the learners. So the whiteboard, if you want to use the whiteboard, okay. If I want to use to share some document, for example, here, or maybe you can finish here, or maybe you can screen share your screen. Yes, you can share or not. Okay, you can share video here. You can launch a pool, all very nice. You can see all the all the previous pool that my colleagues launch here. You can launch a quiz too. You can have a text editor when you can you can write things on the table here. I'm sorry, you can unmute yourself, of course, and you can get your video on in this kind of commands here, this way. And so you can share a presentation. You can share a presentation, for example. You can choose from YouTube presentation on other source. Okay, I think I finished everything, and I'm going to ending the session. I would like to thank you everybody that watch this little tutorial. I hope it can be useful for everyone, and wish you a wonderful evening, and stop. Thank you, and bye bye.